Menteri Rangba Kajala Ukanrat ke Sangma Hakasngi Baar ke Arpau Ar Tarik Rempang Arja Arpau Sau Ula Karpat ya ke Sorkar Assam Makan Ay ya ke Jaka Ban Shnai ya ke Meghalaya House ke Thymmai ya Guwahati. Hakani ke sengi jong ke dorbar mang tingka. Ukanrat ula pentip ru halor karai jong ke Sorkar Jala Ban Bu ya ke guest house Hakhana Para Ribhoi district. Shushu Menteri Rangba ula pentip ru banakaliang ketenat tourism keradap thiet ya ke kaptu ke ni ki Jaka Hakhana Para ya ke bala terwa ban bu ya ke guest house khnang ban yo punan kam haki babun ki kam.
So the reply of question number 84 A, sir. No, sir. B, sir, the government has appointed a joint president commissioner at Meghalaya House, Calcutta, and an additional president commissioner at Meghalaya House, Mumbai. C, sir. Sir, there is an officer on special duty at Meghalaya House, Guwahati, an officer on special duty at Meghalaya House, Belgium. D, sir. So the total number of officers and staff as follows: Guwahati, 1 officer and 23 staff, and Bello, 1 officer and 2 staff. So E, sir, the total number of rooms in Meghalaya House, Bello and Guwahati are as follows: Guwahati 15 rooms and Bello 7 flats.
Please. Sir, may I request the Honorable Minister, since a lot of our students and people go out for treatment outside the state, especially in the western part of the country and in southern part of the country, sir, and then, rent are very high in those states. So can I request the Honorable Minister if we can, add additional rooms so that when our people from the state go out for studies, for interviews, for treatment, they are able to stay at their own houses and, at a very concessional rate so that it will not, impose huge financial burden on them. So that's why we brought this question, sir, because a lot of people go for cancer treatment to Mumbai, then go for treatment to Vellore. So if these houses can, more rooms can be added, that will be of great help to our people of the state. So.
Yes, sir. So whatever available facility as of now in Meghalaya House, both in Mumbai and in Bello. So Meghalaya House staff is being doing the best to give whatever the support to be given to all the students. However, due to some limitation, so we're not being able to give the complete the comfort to all the visitors, be it the patient, be it the students. So, however, so what the honorable members has been requested, will examine and will take a note.
Babar Srubil.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to know from the Minister in charge, the Honorable Minister, whether there is any plan on the part of the government to come up with a better infrastructure in Vellore and at the same time in Guwahati, because as we are aware that many of our people from our state, they usually go out to Guwahati for medical treatment and at the same time to Vellore. But looking at the present condition of these two houses, I don't think so it will be able to cater to the need of the people. So is there any plan immediately to increase or to bring up better infrastructure?
Yeah, sir. We understand the issues and the challenges, and what the honorable members has just raised this issue. So the matter is under examination, both for both Bello and Guwahati, and with respect to the Meghalaya House Guwahati, yes, most of the visitor mostly in Guwahati is for the patients only. So at present, due to limited rooms, not being able to accommodate all the patients of the state. However, government is trying its best to build another Meghalaya house in Guwahati. But however, in view of the no reply from the government of Assam side, we are not being able to study it. But however, the matter is being pursued and is under examination from the government.
Korpran, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I just want to know from the Honorable Minister in charge of GAD. One question: is the GAD department handling the Meghalaya houses by itself, or has it given to subcontract to any other third party?
By GAD department itself, sir.
Saling.
Mr. Speaker, sir, since we have already gifted a plot of land to Assam, I think near the Guwahati itself, I think we will have our own land. So no need to ask any permission from the Assam government. I think Kanapara is our land. So I think maybe if government can look into that one, that will be much better. Instead of asking any permission from the Assam, we don't need Assam for that. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So the question was about Guwahati, because Guwahati is located in Assam. But when you talk about Kanapara, is within our state. So, in very nutshell, government is in the plan to construct state guest house. That land belongs to the tourism department. However, government is planning to construct a state guest house at Kanapara. But however, this is at the examination process.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'll just supplement because the department is a different department, which is the tourism department. But as correctly mentioned by the Honorable GAD Minister, the tourism department has procured and bought some land in Kanapara, and the proposal is on for setting up a much bigger guest house, come Meghalaya house, come kind of a dormitory for students. So it will be multi-purpose facility will be created in that tourism plot. So that proposal is there. And I also would like to inform the House that in my recent meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, I have brought out this issue of Assam giving better land and a better plot to Meghalaya and the rest of the northeast states also. And I got a very positive response. We are pursuing the matter. So we are hopeful that we will be able to get additional land also. But of course, it's not yet confirmed, but the discussions have been initiated from my side. But in the meantime, as mentioned, the tourism department will start the process of putting up a guest house in Kanapara.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center